Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on, how you can enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. So in this short tutorial I will show you how you can enable it on iPhone iOS 18 updates. First of all, you need to launch your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down below, and as you can see there is no call option right now showing here. Tap on apps. Okay, after tapping the apps, you need to scroll down below again. Now you can see appears on screen here are showing phone option. Tap on that. Okay, as you can see Wi-Fi calling showing here right now. You can see it's right now turned off. If you want to enable it, just turn it on, and after that you can easily make the Wi-Fi call on your iPhone iOS 18 update. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone iOS 18 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.